Hello friends, welcome to Uptech CAD Camp, Learning Center for Innovation. My name is Rohit. Starting with video tutorial series of AutoCAD. In our previous video, we have drawn different examples. If you have not watched yet, please do check it out. It is in the I button. For these video tutorial series, you have to download a PDF from our website. Download link is given in description below. So for today's video, example number 4, first of all you have to set limits of drawing. So type command limit, enter. For lower left corner 0, tab 0, enter, and for upper right corner 200, tab 200, enter. So in this fashion we have set limits of drawing. Next, take circle command C, enter, specify center point of circle 0, tab 0, enter, and radius is 20, enter. Next, again repeat previous command, that is circle command, press space button from keyboard, specify center point of circle 0, tab 0, enter, and radius is 32, enter. Next, change layer tool from layer toolbar to center layer and specify a center line passing through this circle, vertical center line, and next again repeat line command, press space button from keyboard, specify center line, horizontal center line for this circle. Next, take offset command O, enter, specify offset distance 18, enter, and select object, specify direction. Again, select object, specify direction. Next, again repeat previous command, that is offset command, press space button from keyboard, specify offset distance 50, enter, select object, specify direction. Again select object, specify direction. Next again repeat previous command, that is offset command, press space button from keyboard, specify offset distance 50, enter, select object, specify direction. Next, change layer from layer toolbar to default layer, and then take circle command C, enter, specify center point of circle and radius is 5, enter. Next again repeat previous command, press space button from keyboard, specify center point of circle and radius is 5, enter. Next again take circle command, press space button from keyboard, specify center point and radius is 13, enter. Next again press space button from keyboard, specify center point and radius is 13, enter. Next again take circle command, press space button from keyboard and take tangent radius TTR circle, enter, first point, second point and radius is 32, enter. Next again repeat previous command, that is circle command, press space button from keyboard, tangent radius TTR, enter, first point, second point and radius is 12, enter. Next take trim command, that is TR, trim tool, enter, select object. After selection of object, press right click and select the region which we don't want. Next press escape button from keyboard to come out from the command. Next take circle command C, enter. Again tangent tangent radius TTR, enter. First point, second point, and radius is 12, enter. Next again take trim command TR, enter. Again enter. Select region which we don't want. Next take circle command C, enter. Specify center point of circle and radius is 15, enter. Next take line command L, enter, and specify tangent point of line, starting point, shift plus right click, tangent, first point, shift plus right click, tangent, second point. Next again repeat previous command, that is line command, press space button from keyboard, first point, second point. Next this section is exactly mirror below, take mirror command MI, enter, select object which we have to mirror, then press right click and symmetric line, define symmetric line, and then press enter. Next take trim command TR, enter, select object, then press right click and select region which we don't want, and then press right click, enter. Next take line command L, enter, and specify start point of line, distance is 2, vertical line, enter, then horizontal line 20, enter. Next 4 for vertical line, and then 20, enter, and then 2, enter. Next take hatch command H, enter, and then pick internal points of the region where we want hatch command, and then specify scale of 10, enter, and again enter to close hatch properties dialog box. So in this fashion we have drawn this drawing. If you like this video, please do hit like button. If you have any questions regarding, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try my level best to solve it. Do hit subscribe button for more such cool stuff. And I want to thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.